Morning, my dear students. I will start class 7 science. Today I will show you, I will give you some chemical changes or chemical reaction. At first I will tell you, if the carbon dioxide will be react with calcium hydroxide, on that time it will be found calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus H2O, water, and this one calcium carbonate. And this one is calcium hydroxide and this one carbon dioxide. So I will tell you, if carbon dioxide will be react with calcium hydroxide, on that time it will be found as a new substance, calcium carbonate and water. If it will be the calcium carbonate, on that time it will be found as a new substance. We cannot convert it into a backstage, or we cannot find it as a carbon dioxide and calcium hydroxide. It will be permanently changed into a calcium carbonate. And then if the iron reaction with oxygen and water, it will be changed into a rust. That means the iron rust is the chemical sign of iron rust is Fe2O3, then multiply with water, few molecule of waters. Okay, if the iron react with oxygen and water, it will be converted into a rust. It will be never change into a fresh iron. So it will be the chemical changes. Then I will tell you the next. If iron react with calcium sulfate, that means CuSO4, it will be a calcium sulfate. Iron make a particle with sulfate, so it will be FeSO4, that means ferrous sulfate. Iron here is the positive part and sulfate is the negative part, so iron will be react with sulfate or the negative part, that means it will be FeSO4. Then copper will be goes as alone. Okay, copper sulfate, it will be the blue color. If it will be changed into a chemically, on that time it will be green. Okay, so these are the chemical reaction. By this chemical reaction, we would like to show you the chemical changes. Then I will tell you few prevention of rust. How to prevent the rust? By the coating of iron surface with the gases or oil. If you coated the iron with gases or any other oil, it will be prevent from the rust. Then I will tell you the next. By the painting of surface of iron, it will be a prevention of rust. If you will be paint with iron particle, it will be changes. It will be prevent of the rust. Then the both of these above method cut of the contact of metal surface, air and moisture. So if you will be coated with oil or gases, on that time it will be safe from the air and water or moisture. That means it will be safe from the rust. Then I will tell you the next, what is galvanization. By the passing of electric current, we should covering the zinc or chromium on the surface of the surface of the iron articles. It will be galvanization, or it is called as galvanization. That means galvanization is the process. By this process, coating a thin layer of any other metals or others metals which are the resistance of air and moisture. That means by this electric current forces or electric current passing, any metals will be saved from the air and moistures. It will be called as the galvanization. So I will tell you again what is galvanization. The process of coating a thin layer of the others metal which are resistance to from the air and the moisture, like zinc or chromium. That means you should use zinc or chromium. You should use from the protect of iron rust, and also it will be the resistance of the zinc and chromium, resistance of air and moisture, like zinc or chromium on the iron articles. By the passing of electric current, it is called the galvanization. So the zinc and chromium remain unaffected by the water and moisture. That means zinc and chromium will be also unaffected from the air and moisture. Then I will tell you the next, what is crystallization. The process of obtaining crystal to pure substance from their saturated solution. That means the solvent will be sufficient in the solution. It will be called the saturated solution, is called the crystallization. Substances like sugar, salt, etc. So crystallization is a chemical or physical changes. You will solve this. And also the meaningful sentence. You will make a meaningful sentence given two words, physical or chemical changes. Salty water slows down or speeds up to the process of rusting. Then what is physical changes and what is chemical changes and what is galvanization and crystallization. You should learn it and you should write it. After that you will submit it to our WhatsApp group. So here is few questions or multiple choice questions are there. So you should fill up in yourself. Obviously you should write it in your copies. Then you will submit it to our WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you so much. See you in the next chapter. Okay.